Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So the most awaited video is here. So recently I went on a trip to Andaman in November end, since it was my birthday, so it was like a birthday trip. Although I plan all my itineraries on my own, but the thing is this time it was very last minute, so I didn't feel like planning an itinerary. So we went through a tour and travels person, and I would like to share that the trip was great and we did not feel like coming back. But since all of the guys here or all of the guys watching my videos want to know what all places I covered during all the days, I'm here to share those. Please wait till the end of the video to know what all it cost me. I'll share all the cost which was incurred in the flights, in the food, or in the package, and I will also share the number or maybe like the name of the tour and travel person we booked. So stay tuned. cost us around 48,000 since I took a direct flight from Indore to Port Blair. Not a direct one, it was like a one-stop flight. So not many people know that Port Blair doesn't have night flights. You can only travel during the day there. So the airports close completely during the night. So we had to wait for 4 hours at the Chennai airport when we went from Indore to Port Blair, which was like crazy. But when we came back, it was like a shorter flight via Hyderabad, so it was like only a 1 or 2 hour layover. But it cost us 48,000 for two people. I went with my mother, so two people, and the package cost us like 50,000 for two people, and it included hotels, all the travel plans, and only breakfast. So whichever hotels we took had only breakfast, not lunch and dinner. But I don't think the food cost a lot in Andaman. It was relatively cheaper as opposed to what people were telling us that the food is really high priced. So including the food and everything, it cost us around 1 lakh 10 or 20,000. Like I mentioned, that the food was not very high price, but you have to be really careful where you eat. You can't eat at those small stalls and shops because they'll give you like weird food. That happened with us. And I would say apply a lot of sunscreen since Lacey I got tanned and I'm trying to remove the tan completely. So yeah, be very careful with the sunscreen and everything. Take everything from the home, your lotion, soap and everything, because it's a very new city, so you might not be able to get everything there according to your skin type and everything. And if you want to know the tour and travel person that I booked, you can comment on the video below and I can share it with you. So overall it was very enjoying experiences, and now I would like to discuss about the food that you can go and try there. So if you're a non-vegetarian, it's heaven for you because the seafood is really fresh. Andaman is basically famous for its seafood. I had prawns and I had crab. So yeah, it is famous for its seafood. But you would see ki you get a chicken also there, but there wasn't a trace of mutton at all there. So if mutton fans don't be very hopeful. But yeah, seafood is enough to cater to your needs. And for vegetarian people also, there are a lot of options. It's not like the food is shit like somebody told us. Food is great there, but you have to be very careful what to choose there. If you want to know more about the food choices or what restaurants you want to go to, you have to go to, or how to choose which restaurant to pick, then you can comment and or comment below and I can let you know. Also, the other thing is that the best time to go to Andaman is from October to February. Because before October, it rains like a crazy person, and after February, it's shit hot there. Even during the time we went, it was like humid and hot. So yeah, that's why the tan. And I had to change clothes multiple times. So be careful to take your clothes, a lot of clothes there. Take beach wear also there, because the beach wear that you get there might not be as hygienic. So if you are a fan of bathing, and also you need to take the beach wear as well. Be like you can be diligent in choosing those resorts which have a backyard beach. So yeah, it will be relatively hygienic to have a bath there. Apart from that, it was like a very relaxing and very enjoyable experience. The food was great, the host was great, the person who we booked through the tours and travels, and overall it was a great experience. So I would definitely recommend you guys to go to Andaman, since it's like a foreign country, abroad country in India.